Hi everybody, Tim here from Workshop 12, and in this video we're going to take a look at the Mark II plastics for the 370Z with new improvements. So the Mark II kit is the same design as it was before, but now we've been able to go out and get plastic injection molding for the face plates on the plastics. So they're now perfectly smooth and already painted as satin black. So let's go take a look at the kit. Alright, let's talk a little bit about the Mark II 370Z kit. The main improvement that we've been making on this now is we've been listening to everybody about challenges in our manufacturing time. So when we use an outsourced company called Shapeways, it does great 3D printing for durable nylon prints that are on there. It takes a while. It can take 3 to 4 weeks to be able to have that manufacturing process done. And then it comes in a raw plastic where you need to sand and paint it yourself. So what we've been able to do with the volume of orders that we've been seeing is been able to go out and get some plastic injection molds done for the 370Z. So here we now have all of the plastics that are available, entirely smooth and in a satin black that matches the same stereo color that would be inside of the OEM dashboard. So our Mark II kits, the main features that we have for them is number one, being able to remove the faceplate to get access to your tablet. You need to remove it, you need to charge it, you need to get to the power button, you need to bring it in extreme heat or extreme cold. You have quick access to that inside of your dashboard with some magnetic faceplates that go over top here. Well, I'll put it on the right way, that will be helpful. And they just snap in place with the magnets. So there's 8 earth magnets that hold really tight on here to hold that in place. And then we also have the bottom area where you reuse your existing OEM climate control and plug that into our plastics. Everything on the back fits into stock mounting positions. We print and manufacture this in-house with a material called PETG that's really heat resistant as well for being able to be inside of the dashboard. And it makes a nice, quick, seamless install, something that looks OEM but quick access to be able to get to your tablet. So that's the 370Z kit, the Mark II kit, now with plastic injection molded pieces as well as pre-painted for you. So it's a very quick install once you get that. So thanks a lot for watching, and we look forward to your feedback on this product.